Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me Guntur. So in this teacher of the day, I will teach you the importance of literacy. So what we will discuss in this session, the first is why literacy is important and discover books and conclusion. So while literacy is important, literacy is the ability to read, write, and think critically. It's important because it helps us understanding information, communicate effectively, and make informed decision. In today's digital world, literacy is essential for learning, working, and adapting the change. So literacy is divided into three parts, that is read, write, and critical thinking. But in this session we will only discuss about the reading, and then why literacy, moreover reading is important, because nowadays there's many hoax news in the internet. So many people believe the hoax news. For example, in Indonesia like this, viral anak ayam melahirkan bebek, like that. So that's why literacy is important, because if we don't read the news at all, we will share the news to group chat, we will share the news to our friend, and that will share the hoax news. And then the second is discover a book that makes you fall in love. So if you do not like reading, you can search the book that makes you fall in love with reading. For example, one book that made me fall in love with reading, it's the Shizuki comics that created by Faza Meong. So long story short, when I was like second grade in the elementary school, I read the Shizuki comic, and after that my interest developing become a hobby, and until now I'm very like reading something. And then not only someone can change your mind or can change your life, books actually can change our life especially. And this are some books that change my life in thinking how to do something and others. So the first book is Madilog, that is created by Tan Malaka in year of 1940. And Madilog itself, it's a standing for materialism, dialectics, and logic. So this book is changed my mind. So this book is teach us to think based on logic and critical thinking instead of the tradition and assumption. For example, it's in Indonesia, kenapa bumi berotasi, like that. You can search the logic, you can search the science way, whether you say the earth is rotating because of pushed by someone, like that. So the next is catatan seorang demonstran by Suhokgi. Suhokgi, it's like activist. He's activist student. In this book, actually this is the diary of Suhokgi. So this book is capture his thoughts, struggles, and ideal as a student activist. It's inspired me to brave in speaking up what's right, to stay true to my principle, and to see activism as a way to create positive change. The next is Into the Wild by John Kronecker. Actually this is based on the true story, same like before the catatan seorang demonstran. This is the diary book of Christopher McCandless, who left behind comfort, possession to seek freedom, meanings in the wilderness. It taught me about the value of independence, the beauty of nature, and the courage to live according to one's belief. And the last books is meditation. So this is same, it's like a diary of Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor. So this book is taught me to focus on what I can control, accept what I cannot change, and maintain inner peace in the face of pressure. And the conclusion is literacy is more than just reading and writing. It's key to understand the world and shaping our future. Through books, we gain knowledge, empathy, and inspiration that help us grow individuals, whether it's a comic that makes us smile or a profound work that change our perspective. Every story has a power to leave a mark. By nurturing literacy, we open the door of lifelong learning and endless possibilities. Okay, maybe that's all for this session. Hopefully you can understand. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.